This is the elevator at the Doubletree Hilton in Asheville, North Carolina. It's an Otis. Smells a bit like urine in here. Maybe that's what it is, what that is. 1989, non-ADA phone. Oh, you're going down?
Yes, sir. How are you today?
Doing great.
That's good.
Oh, it's closing.
Just get in today?
Yeah, actually a couple days ago.
Okay. You enjoying yourself?
Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
Hold the door for you.
Hold the door for you. After you.
I'm just interested in the elevator, just taking a ride.
All right, enjoy yourself.
Thanks, you too. Let's go back up to 5. Let's go down to 1. We're gonna go down to 4, see an intermediate call station. It says we're on 4, let's see. Any classic leveling? Nope. Hi there. On 1. Oh, sorry. Get off. And there it goes.
Come back in.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. And there it goes. And that's going to be it. Here's another elevator at the Doubletree by Hilton at the Biltmore in Asheville. Very plain cab compared to the other one. Otis interlock. Otis seat, I mean just Otis 5. Wow, this is nice. Let's go down to 1. pretty nice, but the cab is very basic compared to the other one. Very loud and annoying beep. There's that. 1989. I'm gonna go up to 5. So here we go. Let's go up, listen to the motor. Lantern barely works. All right, we are gonna go down to 1. Here on 1. Alright. Watch it shut. There it goes. And that's gonna be it.